Hello, hello, my health seeker, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I've got an exciting recipe for you. I'm going to be making instant noodles with satay sauce to take to work or wherever, and all you're going to need to make it is to pour boiling water on it and you'll have a ready noodle meal. So let's begin. So first of all, we're going to be making a satay peanut sauce. What we're going to need is 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, about a tablespoon of ginger. So I've got fresh ginger, or you could use powdered ginger. Then I've got juice of 1 lime. I've got some plant milk. This time is cashew milk, but you could use soy milk. Coconut milk actually works really well. So any plant milk would really work. Then I'm gonna need a teaspoon of maple syrup. So maple syrup. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce here. Instead of plant milk, you can also use some warm water too, that would work. So a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce for the saltiness of it. And that's it, and we'll just mix this mixture up to make our sauce. So there we go, the sauce is ready now. I'm gonna take a good 2-3 tablespoons of that, and I'm gonna put it in a jar. So the jars I'm using for this are I think 750 ml. You can use, you know, masonry jars, whatever jars, like whatever portion of jar you would like. I feel the half-a litre ones are too small, and the litre ones are too big actually, so depends, you know, how much of a portion you want. So we'll pour the sauce at the bottom of the jar. Then I'm gonna put some spring onions in there, so a good helping of spring onions. And then I've got my whole grain rice vermicelli here. So whole grain rice vermicelli. So let me show you. So I added the onions, and now I've got whole grain rice vermicelli. So I'm gonna take one. It's kind of nests. It's like little portions. So I'm gonna take one nest. And I'm gonna break it up a little bit to make sure it fits into our jar. So add it into our jar, okay, and then layer all other ingredients. So the way you're gonna do it, it doesn't really matter as long as the spinach you put on the very top, so it doesn't reach the sauce at all. So I'll start with the olives, put some celery, then I've got some corn, so some sweet corn. I love quite a bit of sweet corn there. Then I'm gonna put some courgette in here. then top it up with like about a good handful of spinach. You can kind of press it in, because when you pour boiling water on top of it, the spinach will wilt. And that is it. Now you can close the lid and there's your lunch. So you can make a few of these jars. You could probably make it for 2-3 days. So I'm going to be making a second jar for Mark as well, and we'll have that tomorrow for lunch. So there you have it, a quick and easy jar noodle recipe. It's looking nice and colorful. You could put different veggies with different colors, so you could put some peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, kind of any veggies you like. If you were gonna put tomatoes, I would suggest not cutting them. Put maybe just cherry ones or baby plum ones you could add as well. But yeah, I found this is delicious. So all you're gonna need to do on your lunch is just to pour boiling water up to the point where it soaks through the noodles, and then leave it soak, and then just pour it all out into the bowl and eat it, and there's your noodles ready. So that's it for this time. Quick and easy recipe. Let me know if you'd like any more of quick lunch ideas like this. And if you're new here, subscribe for more recipes like this. Give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, hit that bell button so that you're notified of my next videos. And until the next time.